Hello my lovelies! In today's lesson we're going to be adding some suffixes, and the two we're focusing on are the ed suffix and the ing suffix. Suffixes are small parts of words. They go onto the end of words and they normally change it a little bit. We had a look at the suffix s and s last week, and they changed a word to mean that it was more than one. Ed changes a verb and it makes it happen in the past. If I poked something, that means I did it in the past. If I danced my way to work this morning, I did it in the past. I'm not doing it now. Ing normally gets added to verbs, and that means that you are doing it right now. So if I am dancing, I'm doing it right now. If I am breathing, I'm doing it right now. Okay. In today's lesson, we're focusing on short and long sounds because that helps us know what to do with a word when we put those endings on. Let's have a look at this one. Steam, steam. If I wanted to add ed to this word, because that sound in the middle is long, e, I just add the ending, steamed. If I wanted to add ing, I just stick it on the end. Because that sound in the middle is long, e. Let's have a look at another word. Dream, dream. That sound in the middle is long again. So that means I just stick on the ending. Dreamed. Dreaming. Here I've got the words raw and roam. Or, roam. These two words have both got long sounds at the end there. O and or. So can you guess what I've got to do? Just stick the ending on. Roared, roaming. Or we can swap them around. Roamed and roaring. Now let's have a look at what you've got to do if your sound is short in the middle. Spot, spot. That o sound in the middle there, that vowel sound is short. O. That means I've got to do something to my word. I've got to double the last letter. So I've got to double it, and then I can stick my ending on. Spotted. Or spotting. Let's have a look at another one. Pat, pat. Can you see that my sound here is short? Not a. That means I've got to double the last letter. And then I can add my suffix, patted. Patting. I have two more words now. Tap, tap, and jog, jog. Both of these words have got a short sound in the middle. O. Do you remember what that means? I've got to double the last letter. Tap. Tapped. And jog gets another g to make jogging. So, for today's lesson, you need to think about those vowel sounds at the end of your word. Is it long, like e, or is it short, like o? If it's a long sound, just add the suffix. If it's a short sound, double the last letter, then add the suffix. Good luck with your lesson today.